Diatomaceous earth is one of those hidden gems most people have never heard of, but it deserves some space in everyone's life. It's made from fossilized algae, which sounds bizarrely cool, doesn't it? Imagine using ancient microscopic creatures to improve your health and home. First, it's a pest control miracle. Ants, bedbugs, fleas, you name it. Sprinkle this powder around and bugs don't stand a chance. It's like using kryptonite on pests, and unlike chemical sprays, it's non-toxic. No worrying about your pets licking the floor. Here's what makes it a pest's worst nightmare. Diatomaceous earth isn't poisonous. It works mechanically by cutting into their exoskeletons and dehydrating them. It's like the horror movie for insects, but safe for humans. And while we're talking about safety, one of the most underestimated uses, it's food grade and consumable. Some people drink it daily for health benefits. Yes, really, like mixing a teaspoon into water. It can improve gut health and detoxify your system. The detox element is powerful. Diatomaceous earth binds to heavy metals and toxins in your body and clears them out. If long-term health matters to you, and why wouldn't it? This is like hitting a reset button for your insides. If you've got pets, try adding a pinch to their food. It helps with worms and parasites. I did this with my dog, and his energy levels skyrocketed. Pretty impressive for something that literally costs pennies. For the DIYers out there, you can use it as a natural exfoliant in your skincare routine. It's coarse but not abrasive. Mix it into a face scrub and it's like giving your skin an eco-friendly tune-up. It doesn't stop there. Diatomaceous earth is also great for odor control. Sprinkle it on carpets, in litter boxes, or even in your trash can. It absorbs smells and moisture like a charm. Pro tip: let it sit for a few hours before vacuuming. Have a garden? You can use this stuff as a pesticide there too. It keeps bugs off your plants without harming bees or other pollinators. Protect the flowers. Save the bees. It's like giving nature a high five. Cleaning? Diatomaceous earth is mildly abrasive, making it perfect for scrubbing tough stains on cookware, sinks, and even tiles. It's like a Swiss Army knife for housework, minus the sharp edges. If you struggle with humidity in closets or storage areas, place a bowl of diatomaceous earth nearby. It absorbs moisture and prevents mold. It's simple but effective, like a dehumidifier you can throw away. Finally, it's ridiculously cheap. A 10-pound bag can cost as little as $20 and will last you months, maybe years. I found it to be one of the highest impact, lowest effort purchases I've ever made. Totally worth it.